Okay, welcome to the VR technique and practice. Practice type 1. Kinza, read first please, from right from the top. Underline.
Underline the two words which should change places with each other in order to make sense of the following sentences.
So, for example,
he put a desk on his book.
so he put a desk on his book doesn't make sense. So it should really mean, what should it really mean?
He put a book on his desk.
Book on his desk. So if you put them that way around, it makes sense. So these two words which have been underlined, they need to swap over. And once they're swapped over, the sentence makes sense. So you're making sense of it. Let's start with Hafsa. Start with the boy kicked. Go.
The boy kicked
The boy kicked the into a bullet.
Would you swap ball and into?
Ball and into. Okay, so the boy kicked the ball into net. No, we wouldn't do that.
You do ball on
Which there?
the second one.
The second there. So let's just write them in the right place. The boy kicked the ball into the net. Yes, they make sense. Okay. Number 3. Let's have Bakar, please.
Okay.
The rabbit scampers into the field and across its burrow. Number 3. Into the field and across its burrow. Okay.
Across the field and into.
So we're going for across and into. So let's write them in the right place. So the rabbit scampers across the field and into its burrow. Does that make sense now? Lovely. Okay. Let's do one more. Number 5. Hamza, go. Read.
The fireman climbed down the tree to bring up the cat.
Come down the tree to bring up the cat. That's an awesome one. Go on then. Which one do you swap over?
Down and up.
So down and up. Let's write them above it. So climbed up the tree to bring down the cat. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, are we happy with those? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, Sami. Okay, come on, Sami, you can do it. I never knew we had a Sami in the class. Okay, Sami, aka Harim, aka Sami. Okay, go on. The boy got into his clothes and out the bath.
It's going to be clothes and bath. So it's going to be the boy got into his bath and out,
Okay, go on.
I don't know. The boy got out his clothes and into bath.
Okay, so we're gonna go for out and in. Okay, so let's try that. The boy goes out and. Okay, so let's try that. Put out above here. The boy got out his clothes and
In the bath.
into. So let's have a look. The boy got out his clothes and into the bath.
He got out of his clothes and then he got
Out
into
his.
the
Okay, are we happy with that, Ibrahim? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the word out goes over there. The boy got out his clothes. Should be out of his clothes. And into the bath. Okay, we're happy with that. Right, next one is this one here. Let's have Aisha. What's up? Milk is good for you. What? Go on.
You swap milk and egg and is milk good?
Yeah, because it's a question. Yeah, is. So that will be soft. Is milk good for you? Then it makes sense. Okay. This one here, next one, Faha. No eating church in.
No eating church in. It should be no eating in church. So you would swap church and in.
Okay, lovely.
Should we smash the page?
Yes, go for the page. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, folks, so here are the answers which everybody has now marked. So practice type 1, transfer the marks to the front. And we're now going to move on to practice type 2. Okay, practice type 2. Let's start with Aisha. Read for us the instructions starting from in each.
In each of the following, there is the same connection between the wires outside each set of brackets and one word inside each set of brackets. You must find the same connection and then underline the two words, one from each set of brackets. For example, dog is to meat as cow is to grass.
So what's the connection?
And what the animal eats.
So the dog will eat the meat and the cow will eat the...
Grass.
Okay, beautiful. So the connection there is what they consume, what's their nutrition. Okay, let's start. Thank you for that example. Question number 1, let's have Madam Harim. Give us the first one. Go.
Car is to road.
Okay, car is to... We have road, wheel, garage. So you're connecting car with the road. Okay, and what are you connecting on the other side?
As barge is to cannon.
Canal. Okay, so can you explain the connection to me?
About where they go.
That's right. So the car will drive on the road and the barge will... What do you call it when it's...
Sail.
Yeah, well, yeah. We have to use sail. I'm just thinking of a different word. Float.
About where they travel.
Yeah, where they travel. So this to do with the travel. So that's the connection. It has to be the same connection. Okay, let's go for another one. Let's have Mr. Hamza. The finger one. Finger is to... You have digit, ring, nail. Wrist is to bracelet, arm, joint. So the finger is to what?
Ring.
So the finger you have so what's the connection? What's the connection? Between finger and ring, what is the connection? You wear a ring on your
Finger.
you need to say something. You just giving me the connection with no relationship. What's the next one? Wrist is to?
Bracelet.
Okay, and what's the connection? You wear the bracelet on the wrist. Okay, I like the next one. Next one's going to be Mr. Buckers. Doom.
Oh. So
Mm.
is to
And fate mood. We have room is to door, more, and box. Go on.
is doom to end.
Okay, doom means end. Okay, so what about room?
Okay, can't do
Yeah, it doesn't work that side.
So
Okay.
doom.
Okay, Ibrahim, help please.
Doom is to mood as room is
Ooh, he got it. Doom is to mood as room is to
more.
more. What's the connection?
You reverse the word.
Reverse spelling.
Yeah.
So we have a wearing relationship. We have a travel relationship. We have a reverse spelling. There could be all kinds of relationships. Okay, so you guys have to... Let's do the daffodil one. Okay, daffodil one. Let's give that over to Kinza. Daffodil. Daffodil is to bulb, spring yellow. Strawberry is to red, sweet cream.
Is it daffodil is to yellow and strawberry is to red?
Okay, absolutely correct. And why is that connection?
Because the daffodil is yellow and the strawberry is red.
So it's the color of the item, yes? So the relationship is color. Okay, are we getting this?
Yeah.
Is it making sense? The rest of the page is yours. I don't want to give you too many examples. That's enough. Time. I've written. Shall I make it nice and big first? Yeah, let's make it nice and big. Start. Everything in blue, I think is the ones that you need to mark, yeah? And the little rules on the side. Yes.
Shouldn't it be glow and light because they both shine?
No, it's with the first letter word.
So the flame. Which one? Which one are you on?
It's the flame is to heat.
Flame is the something as wind is to
One after zoom.
Yeah. Flame is to.
Heat.
It's what they like so like radiant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. So they give up. But I do understand why you said glow, because the flame does give off glow, doesn't it? Yeah, but that's not really a thing that it gives off heat and light. Okay, can I move it up a bit?
Yeah.
There we go.
Sir,
Yeah.
no for evil.
Okay. Right, for this one, let's have Hareem read out the top instruction, please. Go.
One letter from the word of the left-hand side must be taken and placed into or added to the word on the right-hand side so that two new and
No.
proper words are formed which are correctly spelled. All the other letters of the words must remain in the same position.
Okay, so you can't change the position of the words. You have to just take one out and insert it somewhere. You can't change the order. You have to insert it, like push it in between something. So the word learn, they got the R,
So in the first word,
and they put it between the A and the T, and they made a new word cart and a new word lean. So when you move that one letter and you put it into the other word, you got to leave behind two proper words. The word that you leave behind is proper, and the word that you make is proper. So they have to be proper words. So lean is a proper word and cart is a proper word.
so it can't be a cold.
No. Learn is a proper word and cat is a proper word. You start with two proper words, you must end with two proper words. So let's start with the first one. Let's start with Aisha. Could and bond. What should we remove?
So you can remove you to make cold and bound.
Move the U, and that will leave it behind. What will leave behind?
Cold
Cold. And then where do you put the U?
and bound.
Here.
Yeah.
So that will become B-O-U-N-D. Is cold and bound two proper words?
Yeah.
So let's put them into here. Cold and bound. Okay. Okay, so next we have cloud and path. Okay, let's look for another one. Sight and cue. So Ibrahim, go.
Sight and cue. If you moved the T from sight to become sight,
Sigh. Sigh meaning like when you sigh. And where does the T go?
it goes in between the U and E and the Q, which becomes Q.
Cute. Like a little baby is cute. Like Ava. Okay, next question. Let's have Kinza. Open, shut, please. Make me two new words. Move something.
Well, you can move the O from open,
And become pen.
yeah,
And then?
and then you put the O between the, is it H and U to make shout?
Okay, lovely. Let's do this next one. Let's have Hafsa. Long and moth.
Could you
Remove the what?
remove the G?
If you move the G, you won't. That doesn't make a proper word. You've got to leave behind a proper word. You can't move the G. Move another letter.
Would you move the N?
Yes, that gives you log, like a piece. And then where would the N go? Tell me.
Would you go in between the O and T?
Okay, if you put it between O and T, what does it give us?
Ma?
Beautiful. Okay, do we get the gist of this?
Yeah.
Go.
So those are called what?
So these are the answers for practice type 3.
So what's the verb for
What's the?
bright and but?
Which one?
The boat and butt one, the back and
The boat. The boat and butt one becomes bat and bout. Bout is like when you have a little kind of competition.
I feel like, what about this? What about?
No. About is a short period of intense activity of a specific kind. So you can have a wrestling bout or something, or it's like a little kind of activity, intense.
What about that?
No, not roundabout. Okay, that's something completely different. Practice type 4. Let's start with Safa, please, with the instructions. Go.
A word on the left-hand side will join together with the word on the right-hand side to form a completely new and proper word. The word on the left-hand side always begins this new word. Underline the two words, one from each group.
So you can have sit now, sitage, or sit on. Will now, village, will age or will turn, or man now, manage or man turn. So them are the different variations of words you can have. So the correct one is
Man age.
man and age. And what words that make if you say it properly?
Manage.
Manage. It makes the word manage. Let's put that on the side. Manage. So you don't read it pronounced as man and age. You read it together quickly. Manage. Okay, let's start some questions. Question number 1. Let's start with the harem. So harem, we starting with number 1. Okay, so we can have box post, box station, boxman. Police post, police station, policeman. We have hit post, hit station, hitman. Oh, feel good. Go on. Which one is the answer? Policeman.
How about police station? Yeah. Oh, okay, 2 separate words.
Yes. It has to combine to make one word.
Wait.
So
Hitman. Oh yeah, which was? Oh, those are 2 separate words.
yes. Okay.
Oh.
Next one. Right. Let's have Faha. For the one with the lace in it. Lace near, lace up, lace in. Hop near, hop up, hop in. Sat near, sat up, sat in.
Would it be satin in?
Satin in, which makes the word.
Satin because it's a type of fabric.
And write it on the side as full word. Let's look at the word. Let's pronounce the word. Yes, that's a proper word. Yes, it sounds good. It looks good. Okay, next one. Mr. Hamza, the one with the sofa in it. So sofa lay, sofa bed, sofa chair. Deck lay, deck bed, deck chair. Ship lay, ship bed, ship chair. That's all the different combinations. Which is the best one?
Is it sofa bed?
Sofa bed. I won't make one word. Okay, I know what you're talking about though. I think about IKEA now. Okay, somebody else? Yes, Aisha.
Deck chair.
MashaAllah, excellent deck chair.
It is.
It is. You got the right answer. You're not sure about it? You should be absolutely sure about it. That's absolutely beautiful.
What does that mean?
Okay.
The chair and a deck.
Well, you have like when you go to the beach,
Go on.
those chairs that open up and you kind of have that material in it. That's called deck chairs.
So the next one. The next one.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim, next one. Can you do the one here? We have met 10, metin, metan. Top 10, top in, top an. Me 10, me in, and mean.
It's mean.
You go for mean?
You just said the answer, sir.
I just read the word.
Me and.
Me and sorry, I should read it as me and. Unless we're saying meow.
You should listen. Met top me 10 in an.
Okay, we all get the idea. Let's start smashing the whole page. Here comes your timer. Put the answers into the video. Okay, practice type 5. Okay, we're recording now. Okay, yes, Bakar, you can be the star now. Go on. Read.
Find the 4-letter word which is hidden in each of the following sentences. Each 4-letter word can be found by studying the letters at the end of one word and the letter at the beginning of the next word.
Okay, so
Write this word in the brackets.
example.
He had lost his dog.
So we have to look, for example, like he has no, hasla, aslo, slos, no, they don't make sense. Asta, and we have satahi, no. Okay, but when you start at the T, then it makes a word. This. So you have to try different combinations. Okay, so let's do question number 1 for her, please. Scientific papers and books.
Scientific papers and books. So if you look between papers and, it spells sand. So the word should be sand.
Okay, number 3, Harim.
Most operations are successful.
Number 3.
They looked, but all they found was air.
So where's the hidden word? Okay, Safa, sorry, Hafsa.
It's the word tall.
Yeah, so we got 1 and 3, that makes 4. 1 and 3, that makes 4. It's got to make a proper word. Tall. Okay, Hamza. She runs tepid water.
Step.
Okay, let's have Aisha. On a dark road, one must take care.
On a dark.
You don't need to read the sentence. Look for the word.
Is the
Den.
Done.
Done. Oh, fantastic. Lovely.
He was trying to get upstairs. He was getting really upset.
Give me a second. Okay, we know what you're doing now, folks. I'm going to pause the recording. You guys smash it up. Go. We are recording. Let's start with Kinza. Read, please.
In each of the following questions, you must change one letter in the top word to make a new sensible word. By changing the different letter of this new word, it is possible to make the bottom word, which is given. Write out the sensible word on the line provided.
Okay, so if you look at road and foam, first of all, they changed the D into a... What did they change the D into? Into an M. And then from Rome to foam, what did they change next?
The
R into a
F.
F. You can't change the same word. So you got to change one word in the first go and then one letter in the first movement and there's another letter in the next movement to make two new words. So we have road. So the new word that we're making is here. But you have to be able to go from here to here to here. Let's have a look at bone and saw. Practice type number, are we on 5, yeah? 6. Let's have Faha.
So from bone to sword,
Which ones can we keep the same?
you can keep the O the same.
And R, they won't be changing. So the B changes to, well, what happens, what's the first movement?
To change the N to an E, so it would be ball.
So N, you change it to an E, which then stays the same. So bore, when you bore someone. And then what changes in the next one?
Then you change the B to an S, which would make soul.
So the ones which are boxed are the ones that are changing. Excellent. Okay. We have lots of these. Whoa. Let's have Harim. Plan and ploy. So those two won't be changing. So plan becomes
Plan becomes ploy, so the A becomes an O.
really. You want to change the A to O in the first go. To make pull on.
The same.
Yeah.
And then
The N changes to a.
N changes to a Y.
Okay, so the N's changed to a Y. Now what changed from play to ploy?
The A turns into an O.
Correct. Okay, next question. Let's have Kinza. We have fall and sail.
So from fall to get to sail, you change the L to an I. And then you keep the F, which makes fail.
Yeah, and then
You change the F into an S to make sail.
lovely. You get the idea?
Yeah.
There's quite a few questions there, so let's give you not too many. Otherwise we'll be here forever. Let's finish those off. Practice type 6. 7. Let's start with you, Aisha. Read.
Underline two words in the brackets which have the same or nearly the same meaning as the word in capitals outside the brackets. For example, a symbol is to collect and gather.
So assemble means to collect and gather. Okay, now do the first one for me. Remedy. Remedy is what?
Remedy is like
A cure. Excellent. That's one. And a solution to your problem. Fantastic. Lovely. Number one's done. Next one is Mr. Bakar for odor.
Is odor a smell?
Is odor a smell? It's definitely a smell.
So should it be smell and fragrance?
And fragrance, yes. Because odor can be a nice one or even a bad one. Okay, next one. Let's have Harim, robust.
is it strong?
Yes, strong is definitely one of them. And the next one is? Vigorous. Fantastic. Okay, let's move down here. Right, let's have Ibrahim read first, please. Hey, you must. Read.
Here you must underline two words in a bracket. One must have the same or nearly same meaning as the word in capitals. The other must be opposite in meaning.
So we're looking for antonyms and
Synonyms.
both of them. Before we was both of them were synonyms. Okay, start me off with the first one, please. Stubborn.
Stubborn would be, would the synonym be obstinate?
Yeah.
And the antonym be inflexible.
Fantastic. So label the antonym and synonym. Okay, lovely. Right, let's have Aisha. This one's yours. Vacant.
I don't know what vacant means.
Okay, Hamza, what does vacant mean?
It means open.
Vacant, like something not necessarily open. It means
Empty.
empty. But I think we've given away one answer already straight away. So vacant is synonym is empty, and the opposite would now be Aisha. Occupied, like the toilet is occupied, it is empty. You have that little vacant, like little sign on there. Okay, next we have Safa, prohibit.
Prohibit is to stop. So the antonym would be allow,
Yeah, allow is the opposite.
and the synonym would be forbid.
Done. Smash the page up quickly. I'll put on pause. Read.
Fill in the missing word in the brackets needed to complete the third pair of words. This pair shows the same pattern as the first two pairs of words.
Okay, so what's happening in the example? How does stone become tone?
They remove the first letter of the word.
So you remove the first letter, gives tone. Remove the first letter, gives late. Remove the first letter, gives you ream. So we remove minus the first letter. So that's just one way we could do it. So that's not the way we do all of them. That's just one particular relationship. Okay, number one, Mr. Miss Faha, from far away. Go. How does meal become lame?
Meal becomes lame, so the ME goes to the end, and the
So the first two letters go to the end,
And then the last two letters go to the front.
and the last two letters go to the front. So the first two letters, they go there, and then you spell it backwards, LA like that, yes? So are we saying ZE goes at the end?
So the word would be lays.
So you put the L at the front, then A, lays. Okay. Right. Happy with the first one?
yeah.
Okay, number 3 is next. Mr. Ibrahim, yours. How does life become evil and bats become stab, and what's happening?
We're reversing the word.
We're reversing the words. So it's written this way, okay, and then it's written that way. So bats, and then bats that way. Step, and then that way. So we should be
Pets.
pets. Fantastic. So we are reverse. Okay, so reverse the letters. Okay, next we have number 5, Madam Harim, who ate all the cream. Go.
So meat turned into mat.
What have they done?
So they removed the E and then it'll be written like that.
So the answer will be what?
So the answer will be sap.
So the rule is
Remove the letter.
remove the second letter, yeah? So everything has a coding to it.
So can we do the rest?
You want to do the rest? Yeah? Okay, 5 minutes on this one. Go. Here's the answers.